Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregating news on YouTube. Look's going to be drinking. Look's going to be smoking. Look's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here coming 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bye. Welcome, everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest in the daggone multiverse. Bang, bang, bang. Look, we have a great one for you today. All right, we have a great one for you today. So first, we're going to talk about Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink is going to partner with the state of Colorado here in America, to build a lottery. So look, I'm going to read about that. And then, yes, for that IOTA Pollen guy, I was thinking of you when I picked this story. Because there's not many onboardings today and there's no government regulations. I know, Shomari, Russia just signed the bill. Yeah, we already read about that bill. So they signed it. Great. Like, there's nothing else to say. We read about the Russia bill last week. We're ahead of the curve here. We're ahead of the curve. So we already read about that. And so there's no regulations or anything to talk about. So IOTA Pollen achieves 10,000 transactions a second. Look. We're going to read about that. And then Pantera Bitcoin Fund. We're going to read about that. And because there's something I want to yap about, just to show you about funds and different stuff like that. And then shout-outs and daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed. Bah! Start out like that. I'll head out over here and do a little bit of look. Bah! There we go. All right, what are we working with today? What are we working with? Look at you, Bitcoin. Still steady climbing. Nice steady climbing. Look. Price of Bitcoin, $11,340. Oh, yeah. Nicely in the 5 digits. Keep it up. $11,340. When I left you yesterday, we were at $11,188. Sorry. $11,088. So we've gone up. What's this? What is that? $262. But something like that. I'm probably wrong. But 200 and change right there. Bye. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers. Looks like the usual suspects this time. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, Cardano, Crypto.com coin, and Binance coin. Let's see what the market moves of the day are. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 Literally, no one's got any double digit. Oh, there's a double digit. Ample fourth. Well, that was that thing I told you about where they said that Satoshi wrote about it, or about a thing like it. Anyway, single digits up, single digits down. 2 single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's look and see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bye. There we go. All right, top 10, loser of the day. Digitex Futures, Terra, the Midas Touch, Elrond, Ave, Thorchain, Loop Ring, ABBC Coin, Verge, and Psycoin. Let's see who made money today, brothers and sisters. Yeah. All right. Top 10 gainers, Ampleforth, Swipe, Blockstack, Synthetics Network, Bitcoin SV, Aragon, Zcash, Theta, Chainlink, and XRP. Let's see what the... Whoops. Wrong card. Let's see what the total market cap is. All right. Total market cap is $335.2 billion. When I left yesterday, so that's a healthy gain right there. When I left yesterday, we were at 328.1. So we can just call that a nice $7 billion uptick. Nice. All right, let's look at the volume, 24-hour volume. 86.0, $86 billion even. When I left yesterday, we're at $83.6 billion. So we've gone up $2.4 billion in market. 24-hour volume. Great. All right. Let's check out the goods. See what we got going on here. Bang! Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, yeah, state of Colorado. Well, so, government contract, first of all. Right? I mean, it's only a little lottery, but look, still a government contract. I don't know how often they hold this lottery, but great. I mean, so there's nothing to yap about. Let me just get a sip and then we'll read. Oh, what is it? It says there's a hackathon. So I'm reading the bottom under the main title. So they're going to do a hackathon with the goal of creating new games to generate $1 billion in future revenues from the lottery. All right. All right, let's check it out. One second. All right. Chainlink and the state of Colorado have partnered on a hackathon with the goal of creating a new lottery game. There are $17,500 in prizes available for 3 winners, plus an additional $8,500 in Web3 bonus prizes sponsored by Chainlink. $1 billion revenue goal for Colorado Lottery. The Colorado Lottery has created a game jam hackathon that is open to participants from around the world. The state lottery hopes that the new innovative games will help it reach its $1 billion revenue goal to fund outdoor recreation, land conservation, and schools in Colorado, along with its commitment to responsible gaming. Colorado Governor Jared Poles, perhaps enthused by similarly successful projects in the neighboring state of Wyoming, oh yeah, you know Wyoming is all crypto-friendly, is committed to making his government a leader in the technology space. Last year we launched, so here's them talking now, the governor. Last year we launched Colorado Digital Services to begin developing critical public-private technology relationships to position our state government as a tech leader, but more importantly, to better serve our population through technology. The opening ceremony will be held in the evening of July 31st. Oh, tonight. Governor Poles and Vitalik Buterin are expected to speak at the event. According to the press release, this is the lottery's first ever public-private partnership and hackathon. Chainlink wants blockchain to succeed beyond tokens. Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov told Cointelegraph that he's excited to be working with the lottery. He also said that he wants to see blockchain technology succeed beyond its traditional sphere. And here's what he says. He says, we're thrilled to be working with the Colorado Lottery on enabling developers to build truly fraud-proof gaming applications. I think this shows that smart contracts, blockchains, and oracles can be successfully composed to go beyond tokens and on-chain financial products, DeFi, into the many markets that need truly tamper-proof and highly reliable digital agreements. Bang! Hell yeah. It'll be interesting to see how new lottery games will be using blockchain technology. So, bang, there we go. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink with another one. Well, it sounds more like a hackathon, and other people are going to, I don't even know what's happening here, really. They're doing a hackathon to build their lottery thing, and I'm assuming Chainlink is going to be the data provider or something. Anyways, Hale helps the state of Colorado get $1 billion to build schools and stuff for the kids. Excellent. Oh, and I should tell you right now. So, guys, there's a hurricane coming here to South Beach tomorrow. The wind has already started. The wind has already begun. And so I'm not sure if there's going to be a show tomorrow. We'll see. All right, I'll tell you. We'll do it. I'll talk about that at the shout-outs part. All right, let's move on. All right, newly launched IOTA Pollen version 0.2.2 achieves over 10K transactions in one daggone second. One daggone second. That's how it's doing it. That's how the tangle's rolling. So, we're going to check that out in 1 second here. 1 second. Oops, 1 second. All right, let's check it out. So, all right, so I should explain. You know that IOTA's big thing is to get to this thing called coordicide. Coordicide is their the thing that's going to make it truly decentralized, blah, 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 right? That's what everyone wants, right? Everyone was complaining, IOTA, it's not truly decentralized, blah, blah, blah. And so there's some steps that they're going to take. They got this thing called pollen. Then there's going to be a thing called nectar. Then there's going to be a thing called, I think it's called honey. And in honey stage, the honey stage of it is sort of the final stage where coordicide should come out of that by then. So the pollen stage, this stage, I believe it was the stage where, I can't remember. I can't remember if they're getting people to hack it yet or if it's just they're bringing in little pieces. But anyways, it's the first stage of a 3-stage thing to get to this thing called coordicide, which then all the decentralized lovers will praise IOTA for its true decentralization. All right. So, the newly launched IOTA Tangle Pollen version 0.2.2 has achieved a productive capacity of over 10,000 transactions in 1 second during a recent test of its synchronization process. However, the Pollen network basically is a research testbed for the IOTA Foundation, its community, and external researchers. Pollen is the first fully decentralized public testnet for IOTA 2.0, released by the IOTA Foundation. It was released in June and also serves as the first decentralized version of the IOTA Tangle on mainnet, and it was regarded as the production-ready version of the protocol. So, right, this is the thing. All right, and I guess right now people get to kind of tinker with it and toy with it. And then in the next stage, so it's pollen first and then nectar. The nectar stage, they're going to unleash hackers on it and stuff like that and tell them, stress test this, hack this thing, show us if you can do what you can do to it, if anything. And then the final thing will be pollen, nectar, and then honey. And I believe the honey section is when they put it all together, all the different pieces, after they've been tested and hacked and fixed and everything, all the bugs caught, and then that'll bring coordicide. All right. So the IOTA Foundation had announced pollen as the initial stage of its strategic launch of they explain it right here, of Project Coordicide, to lay the foundation for a functional network and transform into a final feature-rich release candidate through regular iterative for IOTA 2.0. In the light of these, the IOTA Foundation on Monday, July 27th, 2020, launched a minor version of Pollen, version 0.2.2, which features 3 noteworthy improvements in messaging and transaction validation aspects. The improvements include added signature validation before issuance, adjusted max transactions input count, and enforced max message size in Message Factory. Fuck. See these IOTA stories? They're always so techie. Furthermore, there are new improvements in the synchronization process, which includes improved solidification. Look. It's better than what it was, man. Let's move on. The changes in the holy shit. The changes in the Pollen 0.2.2, according to the IOTA Foundation, seems to have paid off, as the project began to showcase a peak performance of 1,500 transactions per second within the first week of its launch. The Foundation noted that this performance is times 12 the current mainnet performance, which it later topped with over 10K transactions in 1 second during a test for the synchronization process on Tuesday, the 28th of July. So, other improvements added to the new Pollen version 0.2.2 as announced by the IOTA Foundation, include improvements in the API, the local Grafana dashboard, the analysis server dashboard, and the integration of electric shimmer. Oh, there's that shimmer that guy loved too. To provide a graphical user interface or a GUI. Buy IOTA hodlers, daggone. There you go. So there it is. It got launched. It's rocking 10,000 transactions a second. Look, it's more secure. Look, it's better. Look, it's more IOTA. Look, it's more Tangle. Look, yeah. So there you go. IOTA hodlers, a little update on your stuff. I know, Cardano hodlers, but Shelly came out yesterday. Don't worry, we're going to talk about the Shelly thing tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to talk about Shelly tomorrow. I know. We're going to talk about it. Quantum proof. But today, let's just talk about IOTA. IOTA's new pollen. Buying with 10K transactions in 1 second. Good stuff. All right, and then finally, boom, Pantera Bitcoin Fund has soared 15,140 times since its inception. Dan Moorhead predicts that DeFi movement just getting started. And so this isn't really about our money, but it is about our money in a sense in that I want to show you like this. So these guys have launched, well, a Bitcoin fund and more. They have different funds and they're working. Sorry, not they're working. They're being accepted. People are buying into them. And I just want to show you guys this as an example of, well, what's going to happen when Fidelity starts coming out with stuff. And when, look, our banksters just got able to custody, they're going to start coming out with some products. And so all it is that people need to know about them, right? Once people know that they can have Bitcoin and stuff in their retirement fund, they're going for it. And so, like I told you they would. I told you, soccer mom and dad, they're not going to buy coffee with crypto, but they'll fucking put it in their 401k. And they want to, if you just show them that it's possible, right? That's going to come. I think next year is going to be the mega year of all that, of all these funds getting built big time. Especially now that every bank in America can custody. It's no problem to set up a fund now. Actually, like I said, I'm a little shocked that Fidelity is not here yet. I know. Fidelity made the big Bitcoin speech the other day. Maybe we'll talk about that tomorrow, but I'm surprised they haven't just unleashed on America yet, because they offer custody, so it's not like they need anyone to custody their shit for them. They are the custodians, and so I'm waiting for that. That's the real killer I'm waiting for. Is when Fidelity just starts really launching. All right, but anyway, this shows how successful I think funds are going to be going forward. I think funds are going to be your mass adoption. Are you going to get 1 million Americans? Wait, let's even go like this. Are you going to get 20 million Americans to start buying coffee with crypto? No way. But are you going to get 20 million Americans to put it in their 401k? Oh, absolutely. And IRAs and children's college savings funds. You'll see. That's going to be the stuff, these funds. And so also what I want to show you is the different kinds of funds, right? So these guys have a pretty diverse funds. And I was a little shocked reading this because, wow, these other cryptos aren't regulated here yet. But these guys have a fund in them. And so watch this. All right, one more sip. And then let's get into it. Because there's a bunch of angles for this story. That's why I'm bringing up the story, for a bunch of angles. I want to show you guys a bunch of different stuff. And it opened my eyes to different stuff, actually, to tell you the truth. Like they have, what's that coin? Elrond or something? I think it's Elrond in a fund. I didn't know you're allowed to do that in America. It's not regulated Elrond yet. Yeah, well, they've got it. So, and I guess what I'm saying as well is that opens up questions to me like, well, how are they allowed to do that? All right, so let's get into it, and then we'll kind of yap, and I mean, I don't have answers. I'm just this reading this story here sort of shocked me. So anyway, but let's just go into it and then we'll yap while we go through as I usually do. As I usually do. All right. Crypto-focused venture firm, Pantera Capital, is bringing in big returns for its investors this year, largely thanks to the impressive growth of decentralized finance, DeFi. The Pantera Digital Assets Fund, so they have one fund called the Digital Assets Fund, is up 86% on the year as of July 27. So it's up 86% halfway through the year, according to Dan Moorhead, the company's CEO and co-chief investment officer, and Joey Krug, their other co-chief investment officer. In a recent newsletter to investors, the executives also note that their ICO fund is up 60%, and their Bitcoin fund has seen gains of 43%. So what? Actually, I didn't. So anyway, okay, let's just read on. So according to Moorhead and Krug, DeFi is responsible for the digital assets fund's superior performance thus far. Pantera Digital Asset Fund has exposure to assets that are integral to the growing DeFi ecosystem, which is outpacing Bitcoin's store of value play so far this year. So this is the part I didn't. So they have assets that are part of the DeFi ecosystem in their fund already. I didn't know they were allowed to have. I mean, because if you could do that, well, why isn't there, a fund with some VeChain and IOTA in it and shit, right? Some Chainlink, right? So let's read on. Let's just read on and let's see, okay? So the executives think the increase in demand for decentralized finance, particularly for digital assets lending and borrowing, is a promising development. They caution, however, that DeFi protocols will need increased scalability, better infrastructure, and easier fiat on-ramps before they can witness serious mainstream adoption. Gotta allow people to throw some bucks up in there. But, I mean, we don't care about the DeFi. We're here for these funds. Moorhead and Krug highlight several projects like Matic Network, Blocks, Route, Starkware, Wire, and Alchemy that are working on these improvements. The progress we've seen in these barriers and our expectations going forward have us very optimistic about the coming years. The firm's ICO fund, so this is the one that got me, this ICO, Ampleforth it's called. They got the Ampleforth in there, not the Elrond. My bad. The firm's ICO fund has benefited from being an early investor in Ampleforth, a DeFi smart commodity money project. So this is what I mean, like, they're off an ICO fund. So what? Do you guys get what I'm saying? I didn't know that they were allowed to offer. First of all, never mind. It's not a working product. It's a fucking ICO. And so they've got a fund of just ICOs. And as these companies grow, obviously, the ICO fund grows. And they're offering this in America. And so here in America, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only regulated, fully on regulated cryptos in America that you're allowed to do stuff with. And so, well, I thought, well, how do I put this? Right, like Ampleforth, right? Ampleforth isn't regulated here in America, right? It's not licensed and regulated here. And so what I'm saying is I'm just shocked that they have it in a fund, right? Anyways, so I don't have an answer. Like, there's nothing to say. I'm just saying, I guess what I'm kind of thinking of is, well, you have this shit in a fund. Like, why don't you have some fucking VeChain, IOTA, and Chainlink in a fucking fund, homeboy? Right? Like, are they allowed? What, this is opening up a new avenue to me. I didn't know that anything else was allowed to even be touched yet. But apparently I am wrong and about that concept that I had in my mind right there. And so, what's everyone waiting for? So, all right. So listen, let's continue. That's just me speculating. I mean, I don't know the answer, so I don't have an answer for you, but I'm going to be looking for that fucking answer. I'll tell you that now that I see that this is occurring. I don't understand. And so I will once I find out. Anyways, although it has seen smaller gains this year, Pantera's Bitcoin fund has been a home run for long-term investors. Over the 7-year lifetime, holy shit, listen to this, the fund has yielded a staggering 15,140% return on investment. That's some ROI like a motherfucker. Yeah, the ROR might have been a bit long, but daggone, that ROI is solid. I've never even heard of ROI like that. So it's staggering 15,140% net of fees and expense. Oh, so take away the outperforming Bitcoin over the same period. So bang, bang, and bang. Amazing. And so what I wanted to show you is that these funds, so there's a few things. I mean, there's just a few things here I want to show you is, first of all, I had no idea that you could put anything in a fund or offer really anything in sort of a regulated manner unless it's Bitcoin or Ethereum in America. But somehow they're getting away with it because it's an ICO fund. You notice it says here ICO fund. So it must be something about the ICO part that lets them, because if I'm a fund manager, I'm going to offer I'll offer shit. I wish I was a fund manager. I'd create a hold on. Let me think, guys. Let me think. I'm trying to word it. I'm trying to name the fund. I know what I'm going to put in it, but I'm just trying to name it. Right? I'd offer a crypto supply chain fund, right? VeChain, IOTA, anyone doing supply chain stuff in that fund. That's going to be huge, right? I'd offer a crypto, what do you call this? Interoperability fund. Yeah, Chainlink. What's the one we read yesterday? Band. That other one that you guys are into, is it ICX or something like that? The one that lets the two blockchains talk to each other? Right, I'd have an interoperability fund. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Fuck. So I don't know how they're doing this. I think it's because of the ICO part. But, so anyways, guys, I don't have an answer, but I want you to bring it up. And I mean, if you have an answer, fucking tell me in the comments or tweet me or something. Because here in America, Bitcoin and Ethereum those are regulated, licensed, good, like full on, good to go. Wall Street level. So that's pretty interesting. But also what's interesting is just that these funds are working, right? People are invested in them and they're working. Obviously, holy shit. I mean, you got ROI like this. But 15,140%. That's ROI like a motherfucker. So, great. And that's what I expect. When soccer mom and dad see numbers like that, you'd be an idiot not to get into some sort of Bitcoin or crypto fund or put it in your portfolio or your 401k. Here in America, and I'm pretty sure where you live too, if you're in an English-speaking country, you are forced to be invested in the stock market through a 401k, right? You're forced. If you want a retirement fuckstick, well, you better get in the markets, boy, right? When my mom was a worker, right, she got what's called a pension. Yeah, you work for 20 years, and the company, you get paid for the rest of your life in this thing called a pension, right? And then they turn it into this 401k thing where, well, buddy, we're going to put you in the markets, and I hope your investments work out for you, because when you're 65 and we cut you loose, that's all you got left, right? So that's not funny. It's not funny, right? Like, holy, but and so, what am I trying to say about that? About the 401ks there? And so since you got to invest anyway, bang, you might as well throw some Bitcoin in your fucking 401k because it's going to give you fucking shit like this, 15,140% returns on investment. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, when soccer mom and dad see that, when the average consumer sees that, look, you'd be an idiot not to invest in. So, I don't know. I thought I'd bring it up, just showing you that these funds are working. Any fund that's been unleashed so far is kicking ass. Every fund that we've read, I mean, there haven't been many of them, but the few that we've read so far are kicking ass. I just don't, and that brings up the question in my mind, like, what's Fidelity waiting for, daggone? Like, I don't understand what they're doing. I mean, fuck, they could just dominate this whole market, obviously. Crush it, really. I mean, let's get real. They're a mega monster, mega. They daggone. So, again, I have no answer to that. It's just shocking to me as a market killer. Why those fucksticks, knowing how hardcore they are, knowing how big they are, knowing how trusted they are by the American public, why they're not releasing. If I'm Fidelity, everyone trusts me. All right, if you're Fidelity, probably about 1 in 4 people have some sort of Fidelity. I don't know about that. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. I don't know. Let's say 5 in 10. Nah, that's probably an exaggeration too. But about 30% of Americans have some sort of Fidelity something. Well, okay, I'm exaggerating again. Were you gonna stop exaggerating, you motherfucker? All right, settle down, brother. I know. I mean, I don't know the numbers, but I mean, when you have all those trillions, obviously that's a bunch of Americans. Well, and people worldwide. So I don't know what the numbers are, okay? So I'm just going to make something up. But I guarantee you, there's over 50 million Americans who have some sort of Fidelity product, and Fidelity is such a trusted company here. I'm surprised that they just haven't released Bitcoin stuff yet because, Fidelity has been mining Bitcoins since 2014. Yeah, the company. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I just don't understand. But anyways, some food for thought, something like I said to you the other day, questions are the answers you might need. And so this article right here has put a lot of questions in my mind. And so, well, I'll be digging around for some daggone answers. All right, let's get out of here. What do we got? Boy, what are you doing? Airdropper. Look, son of a bitch. Look, boy. Look, boy. Look. Oh, we got 3 looks on that. Boy. Airdropper. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Boy. Yes. Look, Lorna. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Oh, what's her portfolio saying now? Link, VeChain, Cardano, Zilliqa, Algorand, IOTA, Stellar, Matic, Bitcoin. I don't know what the DGB thing or the one thing. Ethereum and that ARC thing. Oh, fuck, Lorna. Look, Lorna's on a shopping spree. Tell you how to do it, girl. Daggone, accumulate. Good work. Bye. What we got here? All manner of miscreants. All manner of miscreants. Let's see him. Nitta. Oh, yeah, the God-fearing lady. Look, Nitta. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Rob, love you, brother. See you, brother. Yeah, surf that tsunami in, brother. All in due time. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, there's Lorna again. Mr. Percy. Yes, sir. Love you, brother. See you, brother. See you, sir. Bye. Yes. Well, who's this new guy? Firo. Oh, he's got that VeChain thing. Where are you guys getting that little VeChain logo thing? What? Twitter just has it available or something for you guys to put it on? Right? It's like a little badge of honor. Yes, VeChain badge. That's good. Anyways, Pharaoh, what does he say? Me. Daggone right, it's you, brother. All the time. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, what was I going to talk to you guys about? All right, we'll do it in a second. Luke, live by the G brother. But, oh, he's got the V thing too. Where the fuck you guys getting all that from? Right? It's like they're all pimped out with their V-chain thing, right? All right. Everyone's getting pimped out. Look. Obviously, I can't put that on my thing. I can't look like I'm favoring anything. Although I do favor success. But you guys who've watched me, you know what's going on around these parts. Look, Miriam. Love brother, see brother. Bye. Brendan C, Spy Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Bitcoin calm. Wow. Love brother, see brother. Bye. Deep here. Soul brother. Soul brother. Yes. When the night is cold and the snow is snowing outside, you look your woman right in the eye and you say, look, woman, we gonna make some love tonight. Soul brother. That's how it goes, brothers. Look, you get yourself a soul man. Oh, he'll make some sweet love. We're gonna make some sweet love tonight, girl. DP Entertainment, love brother, see brother. Bang! Oh, we got to do the Forex thing. That's right. Oh, yeah, I got caught up in all that craziness. All right. So there was nothing going on. Yes. Look. Really, the big one this week was this one right here. The British pound against the Australian dollar. As you can see, here's the trend. What's the trend, Shomari? See these lines right here? This green line, that's the 30. That red line is the 50. You see that line? It's the 100. You notice how price boop, bounces off it? Well, if you were smart, you were trend trading. Oh, daggone, look at this move. Bang! And then it did a nice little retrace and then bang. So for Thursday and Friday, you would have made a lot of money right there on those two. I didn't take them, so in full disclosure, I wasn't trading this week. I told you guys I wasn't going to be. And I'm probably not going to be trading next week either. I'm going to let the big boys get in here and do their stuff and get us in. And here you go again. Now, this is the British pound against the New Zealand dollar. Look at the trend. There we go. There's the trend. The 30, the 50, the 100 SMAs. Simple SMAs, simple moving averages. Notice the price. Bounce. Bang. Bounce. Bang. Pulse. Bang. Pulse. Bang. And then up, and then bang. So if you trade the trend is your friend, you'll make that money. And so, look at the Euro and NZD. It's been riding this fucking motherfucker it's been a couple weeks now. So anyways, like I said, I didn't get in anything. Here's the trend scanner. Trend scanner's pretty empty. Well, the way I like it, and so whatever. So that's how that goes. All right, so holy, look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Bang! Actually, I didn't see that today. Like I said, I haven't been reading. I haven't been watching. All right, so let's get out of here and let's get back to crypto. Yes, back to crypto, folks. Don't worry. We're back to that daggone crypto. Look. Soul brother. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. Love for the sea brother. Bye. Look. Paul Gobert Jr. All right, we got here. The Venom. Louisiana handle. The Rain Man. Black chip poker. Online poker. Sneakerhead. Poker. ACR. Tournament. Apex. Fortnite. Madden. Oh, yeah. So this guy likes video games. He likes poker. And he likes sneakers. All right. Look, Paul Gobert Jr. Bye. Welcome to the family. We got GNC, JNC, JMC. What do we got here? I'm cool. All right. Cryptocurrency gang. My time is coming. Moonshine. Lift off soon. We all get rich. We all getting rich. So if you invest wisely, you absolutely are. Look, JMC. Love brother, brother. Bye. And then he told me about this. He wanted me to look into it. IOTX. It sounds like they want to do sort of the same stuff that IOTA is already doing. They want to do IoT devices. They also want to do that internet ID thing, or that new, right? There's going to be this fucking kind of internet ID thing. Yeah. Mark of the Beast thing. Look. Don't want to scare you, but look. Just telling. And so, all right. So, yeah, like these guys want to be sort of an IOTA. But I don't understand, but this UCam thing, it's some camera thing. I didn't see that part of it. I went to their website, and they were talking about the IOTA stuff. So whatever they want to do with your camera is great. All right. Bye. Thank you, brother. That's everybody then. Kong. What's Kong talking about? V-Chain brothers, look. Exactly. The cream rises to the top. Bang. Look. Cream rises to the top, brothers. There you go. You got your V-Chain, your IOTAs, your chain links. The cream rises to the top. Bang. All right. That's good enough. Oh, what do we got here? This guy liked to tweet. Airdropper. What's this guy talking about? Oh, son of a bitch. All right, we're going to talk about this tomorrow. Fuck, I did see this. Why didn't I talk about this today? Hold on, I did see this. Oh, I forgot to save the fucking thing. Dumbass. Yeah. So we read about V-Chain in this AWS market space to launch your shit in 5 minutes. Well, IOST's up in the guts too. Actually, I'm gonna even hold on right now. Let me just all right, so I can save it later and remember. So yeah, we're gonna talk about that tomorrow. Nice. Oh, there's Hurricane Masta. Oh, and you survived your hurricane last week. Yes, the Masta. Of course he did. I mean, he's a Masta. Yes. He bitch slapped that hurricane last week, I'm sure. Yes, quite brutally. But look. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you guys, I might not have a show tomorrow because we got a hurricane coming. It's a Category 1, and the winds have already started. Like right outside, right here, like literally like 10 feet from me outside this wall. The fucking palm trees are already blowing around. Literally, as I upload this, I'm going to head to the store, grab my smokes, grab my fuel. Yes. My hurricane rations. And, hunker down. So, I don't know if we're going to have one tomorrow. I'm going to try. Yeah, I'll let you hear it, right? Because it's loud. Hurricanes are loud. The wind is so strong that it makes like this sound. Yeah. Yeah, that's how the wind becomes. It makes this it sounds like a bunch of screaming witches or something. Anyway, so I'll do that tomorrow. Well, I'll try if I can, but if not, I'll see you guys Tuesday. It'll be over by then. Hurricane Master. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Every Dicko and the Dicko family. Family cryptos together, stays together. Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Some good Americans right there. Look. Wesley. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. All right, that's enough. Oh, there's Ricardo, though. One more. Justin Delevine, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. And then let's get Ricardo, and let's get the fuck out of here. Ricardo, Tuto. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, but there's Bitcoin Kong. You know he's got a fatty. I bet you that's a fatty. I knew it. All right, let's do it. Look. IOTA Pollen coming out. It's going to make your IOTA hodlings. Boom. Chainlink with another onboarding with the Colorado. Boom. And Pantera Bitcoin Fund shows that the fund is working in. Boom. So get ready, boys. Boom is how your portfolio is going to look. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get back to the usual. Bye. Yes, get back to the Death Star. All right, brothers and sisters. So, being the greatest show on Earth, well, fuck the Earth, the multiverse. Naturally, we had a great show for you today. So, look. Chainlink partners with Colorado Lottery. And so, that's a little different than I thought. Actually, I didn't read that story, so it sounds like I think what Chainlink's going to do is, well, they'll provide the data, and then they want some other blockchain to run the lottery or something, right? They're doing a hackathon, so that's a little different than what I thought that story was going to say. But there it goes, Chainlink. But what is amazing is, in terms of Chainlink, is you're talking with governments now. Like you guys know, a government. I'm a government contract lover. I'm a government contract lover. Once you have a government contract, that's it. Every little fucking government worker is never going to change it because they're scared. Yeah. Well, the higher-ups decided, so they don't fuck around. And so government contracts, they pretty much last forever unless you fuck up, right? It's not like a corporate contract. Like if I have a contract with, well, I'm going to say something. This is probably, well, all right, I'll just say it this way. If I have a contract with Corporation A, all right, that's not the good way to look at it. Corporation A has a contract with me. But if someone can, offer them something, they'll just change it. They'll be like, all right, Shomari, we were using you, but, we found a better thing, a better solution, we're out of here. Yeah, government doesn't work like that. No one wants to make the decision to fucking change anything. And that's why government contracts are so amazing. For one. And then for two is that, they're amazing because you're paid on time and in full. Right? They tax their citizens to pay you the fucking money that they owe you. And so when you're government, when you're supposed to get paid on April 15th, yeah, well, guess what? April 15th, bang, you get that check. Right? Whereas when you're doing stuff with other companies, you never know. Maybe that company goes, well, we can only pay this much right now. But, there's a bunch of bullshit. Whereas with the government stuff, it doesn't work like that. Once it's allocated in the budget, that's it. That's budget allocation. Holy shit, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. Holy, there's a whole black thing right here. Yeah, it's hot in here. Fuck. I know, I don't have my air conditioning on in this room. All right, so because I'm not in this room that much, right? I'm only here for a fucking hour a day, so I didn't turn it on. Yes, I want to be embarrassing myself like this again. Anyway, so that is Chainlink. Bang! Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. All right, and then finally, no, not finally. And then the next one. IOTA Pollen achieves 10,000 transactions a second. Daggone. That's a speedy mamma jamba. What was that? What was that show when we were little kids? Right? We had the Roadrunner and then the other one, that other guy, Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez. Look. And that's what they're doing here. So, this is only the first step of IOTA getting to that quarter-side thing. So like I told you, IOTA is going through this thing. It's called Pollen. And then they're going to go through the next stage is called, hold on. Pollen, Nectar. The next stage is called Nectar. And then after Nectar is going to be the honey stage where quarter-side, yes, and all the crypto lovers will be happy. It's truly decentralized. Yay. All right. So that's it. And so that's that. So I guess it's one step closer to the true decentralization of IOTA. Yes. All you decentralization lovers. And then finally, Pantera Bitcoin Fund. A success. And so, like I showed you, that story, it was more than just the fund. There were many parts to it. It was the fund, first of all, in that showing you like, daggone, people are interested in the fund. And I've been telling you around this channel since the beginning of this channel, buying crypto with coffee, I don't see it going down, but crypto in your 401k, you're fucking right they're going to do that. You're fucking right. I'm going to do that. Look, I'll tell you right now, once I can, like, I'm a Forex trader, right? I don't have 401k. I don't have retirement. I mean, I guess I am my own retirement fund. I can make money anytime I want. But there's a point in time where I'm going to get old enough, or maybe I'm going to be sick of it and be like, yeah, I just want to live off a retirement fund. So I'm probably going to get a Bitcoin retirement fund as soon as I can and start pumping money into it. Just for the fun of it. Like I said, I don't have a 401k. I'm just an independent. I'm just a lone wolf out here in South Beach. So, but what I wanted to show you was just the success of this fund. And like I'm saying you, and like I'm telling you, while I just saying to you, like I keep telling you guys, as soon as these guys unleash these funds, holy shit, we're going to have demand like a motherfucker. I mean, prices are going to skyrocket. And so that's that thing, is that the Bitcoin fund proves to you that it works, right? When you offer it to people, they buy it. And then the second part of that story was just my shock in that daggone Fidelity. What are you waiting for? You're going to let Pantera, well, Pantera is not going to eat anyone's lunch. Fidelity will probably just buy Pantera and just, yeah, we own you now. I don't know, but just, I don't understand why Fidelity is not unleashing these funds. They're licensed. They're able to do so. And so that's a little shocking to me as a market guy. I just don't know what they're waiting for, because Fidelity already is offering custody, right? And so institutional grade custody. And so, well, obviously it's institutional grade. And so just, while you're offering the custody, just fucking unleash some funds, motherfuckers. What are you guys waiting for? And so that's shocking to me. And then finally, about that story, what shocked me about that story was they were offering other cryptos already in their funds. Here in America, only 2 cryptos are regulated. And so, but that ICO fund they had, it said that they had, let me even go to the fucking story. Let me look. What's the name of this shit? What's the name of the motherfucker? Right? They already had, hold on. One second. They already have a fund with, Ampleforth in it. And that's that ICO fund. So they have this. All right, let me get back here. And so they have this ICO fund, and I didn't know you're allowed to do that. And so, because you have an ICO fund, well, eventually that thing is done with the ICO and it becomes a crypto testnet, then mainnet, then working thing. And so are they allowed to keep offering the fund all through the stages, or is it just for the ICO part, once you've done that, you're out of the ICO fund or whatever? Like, you know, I'm trying to wrap my head around how that fund works. ICO is the beginning, but once the organization, the corporation matures, is it still part of the fund, or does it get kicked out and you put in new ICO, or what? And so, I don't know, guys. I don't have an answer. It just, but those are the little thoughts that went into my head, and that's why I brought up that story, just because there's a lot of angles there. But the main thing I want you to take away from that story is this. Once people offer soccer mom and dads, once soccer mom and dad and the average consumer is offered funds, they go for it. Just like I told you they would. You know, buying coffee with crypto, no one's going to do that. Why would I go buy something to go buy something? It's stupid. But will I invest in something and have it in my 401k? I tell you right now, a few years from now, everyone's going to have some sort of crypto in their 401ks. With these astronomical gains, they gain a lot more than your fucking stocks, don't they? Right? Your stocks gain what? 3 to 6% a year is like a good stock. A 9% a stock a year. Oh, it's a high flyer. Oh. Everyone gets crazy, right? That's at 9%. Motherfucker. Hold on. Let's even just take a quick peek over here. Hold on. Let's just look at something, guys. Some of these have gone up. Like, look at Ampleforth. Yeah, it went up 35% today. That doesn't mean it can't lose 35% tomorrow, but I'm just saying, what do you want in your 401k? Right? You want shit that's going to, a high flyer at 9%? Or you want to throw some crypto in that thing and get her done. Get her done proper, And so, all right, so those are the issues with that Pantera story. All right, so that's it, I guess. And so, all right, so that's it. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the whole multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And like I said, we might have a hurricane tomorrow. Well, not might. We have a hurricane coming. I don't know if I'll have electricity and shit to do the show. So, is I guess what I'm trying to tell you. Mother Nature might knock me out. So if I don't see you tomorrow, it's not because I'm being lazy. It's because, Mother Nature gave us a virus. Bang! Now she's giving us a fucking hurricane. Bang! That's how it goes sometimes. That's how it goes down, brothers. Look, but until I see you next time, and we will see each other again. So until then, hopefully tomorrow, but if not, until the next time, Tuesday for sure, because it's only supposed to be a one-day hurricane. It's supposed to hit tomorrow morning, and they're saying that it should be over by tomorrow night. And so we'll see. So I love you guys. Wish me luck. Just kidding. I don't need luck. I got the Lord's blessings, boy. I'm covered by the Lord, son. I don't need luck. Ain't no such thing. So look, subscribe below, press that bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. And then watch this video right here, Greatest in the Multiverse. Look, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully. And so, my name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching on money. Love you guys. Bye. Look. All right. See you guys after the hurricane. Over and out.